Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question: x minus a divide b plus x minus b divide a plus x minus 3a minus 3b divide a plus b equals to 0. We have to find out the value of x. So look, here is 3 fraction, but we have to simplify this one. How? Look, here is x minus a, here is x minus b, and here is x minus 3a minus 3b. So we need a plan that how to make numerator looking same. So we can do like this. Here is x minus a divide b. We can write here minus 1. Why? Let's discuss later. Okay, this is a one part. Plus here is x minus b divide a. Again we can make 1 minus 1. Okay, plus, and here x minus 3a minus 3b divide a plus b, but here we will write plus 2 equals to 0. Now look, here is minus 1, here is minus 1, it will be minus 2, and here is plus 2. So everything is closed. Okay, how? Minus 1 plus 2, it will be 0. Okay, now look, this one is LCM is b, so we can write x minus a minus b. Okay, then LCM is a, so x minus b minus a, right? Then plus, here is a plus b, so we can write x minus 3a minus 3b plus here is 2a plus b equals to 0, right? Or we can direct write, here is 2a plus 2b. So here is x minus a minus b divide b plus, we can synchronize this one, x minus a minus b divide a plus, look, here is minus 3a plus 2a. So here is x minus 3a plus 2, it will be minus a, minus 3b plus 2b, it will be minus b, divide a plus b equals to 0, right? Now look, every numerator it will be x minus a, x minus a minus b, x minus a minus b, x minus a minus b. So naturally we can take common x minus a minus b. So here is 1 by b plus 1 by a plus 1 by a plus b equals to 0. So we can write x minus a minus b equals to 0. So this one we can out. How? Look, suppose here is 5a equals to 0. So we can write a equals to 5, a equals to 0, because once we divide both sides by 5, so it will be 0. Similar this one, so we can write x equals to, we can transfer this one a plus b, and our answer is x equals to a plus b. This is our answer. Okay, so thank you. Number 6 done. Previously we already complete 1 2 3 4 5 number, so 6 number also done, and left 2 maths 7 and 8. We try to solve this video at least number 7, and last video we will solve number 8, because 8 is a different type math. So let's start number 7. Here is x minus a divide a square minus b square equals to x minus b divide b square minus a square. Look, this one is looking different. So we can write like this: ax minus a divide a square minus b square equals to ax minus b. We can take common minus, so a square minus b square. Now it's looking similar. Okay, so what can we do? We can multiply both sides by a square minus b square. How? Look, once we multiply this one, a square minus b square, and also here a square minus b square, so this one and this one, this one and this one will be out. So we can write ax minus a equals to minus ax minus b. We can write a side note, which is multiply both sides by a square minus b square, right? So first part complete. Now we can write ax minus a equals to minus x plus what? B. So we can transfer minus x right side to left side, so x plus x equals to minus a will become a, and here is plus b. So this one is 2x equals to a plus b. Now divide both sides by 2, so x equals to a plus b divide 2. We can write divide both sides by 2. Okay, done. Very easy, very simple, but very important. For what? For any kinds of competitive examination like IGCSE, CBSE, SSC, grade 10, and especially ACT or SET. Okay, so no more today. Next video we will try to solve number 8. Till, take care, keep practice at home, and don't forget subscribe my channel.